Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the Jilyo watch has enough charge and you know the crown and mode button locations. Press and hold the crown for 2 to 3 seconds or use the mode button until the hour digits blink. This signals time set mode. Once done, make sure auto sync is off on paired phones so manual settings stick. You need the display to be blinking to change values. That blinking tells you which field, hour, minute, or date is active and ready for adjustment. Now adjust the actual time. Rotate the crown clockwise to increase values and counterclockwise to decrease. A short press of the crown or mode button moves you between hour, minute, and date fields. Once in minutes, fine-tune to the exact minute. On 12-hour watches, toggle AM or PM so the date flips at midnight, not noon. If you need speed, use the up or down buttons and hold them for rapid 10-second or 10-minute jumps. Make sure the watch confirms each change visually before moving on. To finish, press the crown firmly to save changes and exit time set. The blinking should stop and normal time display returns. You should verify accuracy by watching the minute hand or digital minute for 2 to 3 minutes and by confirming date behavior if relevant. If settings revert or won't save, make sure phone auto sync is off, perform a soft reset, and check for firmware updates in the Jilyo app. If problems persist, contact support with model and firmware details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.